Hello, in this video, we will understand about the vaginal microbiota in the female. So we will understand about their significance and how it can interact to lead cause disease. The human vagina is inhabited by a range of microbiomes from a pool of over 50 species. Lactobacillus are the most common in healthy women and maintain health. Microbiota can change composition rapidly, which can cause puberty, fungal candida, vaginitis due to uncontrolling the growth of the microbiota. Gram-negative anaerobes are, in some cases, gram-positive cocci and aerobic pathogens, which that will lead to cause pathogenicity. But the type of lactobacillus bacteria we will discuss later. First of all, we will understand about the reproductive system of the female. The reproductive system of the female contains several parts. For example, here I am drawing to understand the contain a uterine wall. Endometrium is known as, and inside is the uterus where the baby can grow. And this is the fallopian tube used for the fertilization and ovary, uterus, vagina, and cervix. Cervix is used for the opening due to the parturition and the endometrium. During the parturition, the microbiota can affect the baby. Here is the childhood lead to reproductive age. When in this way, the vaginitis can increase due to the lactobacillus increase as well as yeast increase. The fungal organism increase. While the menopausal time, the vaginitis due to microbiota changes and lactobacillus when decrease. While the urinogenital disease risk will be increased during the menopause. So, the prevention of the urinogenital disease, we can provide the estrogen and progesterone hormone therapy. Lactobacillus is good, but the great Narilla vaginalis is a bad bacteria. Some lactobacillus species also found in anus and vagina prove the equal availability of the nutrients, oxygen, etc. An antimicrobial habit. Let's understand about further the bigger picture of the vagina where the epithelium are present, and the epithelium contain a microbiota in the lumen side in the microbiome in the uterine cavity. So this is the uterine cavity, and the green color is showing that the mucus like structure, and in this way it is hard. Anyhow, let's begin to understand the a lot of microbes are present, which that will lead to competition for resources as well as shelter. Remember, these bacteria are also present in the anus, and the benefit is equal. Here is you can see the competition for resources, and in this way, the microbiota secreted metabolites. These metabolites play important role for the prevention of pathogenicity due to the opsonization through antimicrobial substance which that collapse the pathogens, and in this way the competition will complete, and in this way the mutualistic bacteria will live longer while the pathogenic will not live longer due to no need our body and no need for the mutualistic bacteria, and in this way it will opsonize and kill. This is the barrier immunity creation through microbiota in the uterine structure in the vagina. So vagina, this is the tight junction will not allow to bacteria move inside as a barrier immunity, while a lot of receptor which that will not allow to move, and in this way the some pathogen when interact with the cells epithelial cell of the vagina will lead to cause inflammation. But here is the integrity of the epithelial and physical barrier will not allow to enter the pathogen as a layer formation as a barrier immunity from the lactobacillus also produce the lactic acid as well as hydrogen peroxide will kill the pathogen. This is the immune response whenever the inflammation caused due to the pathogen interaction will lead to produce cytokines, interleukin 6 and 1 due to the inflammatory mediators from the releasing of the affected cell will lead to inflammatory and immune response will lead to recruit the other immune cell cause inflammation progression, and in this the chronic inflammation will lead to cause swelling and other problems. Lactobacillus is 87% are present in the vagina, and the colony growth factors require the hormonal changes like estrogen and progesterone is important, while the vaginal pH due to the lactobacillus ultimately increase or decrease glycogen content and the hormonal therapy. Whenever the glycogen will decrease or increase on the basis of the glycogen, the bacteria lactobacillus will increase or decrease. When decreased, the pathogenicity will progress, like yeast vaginitis, Candida albicans. In this way, the yeast vaginitis is characterized by white discharge due to the yeast production, secretion from the yeast, and local itch and irritation can cause in the vaginal area, even the outer part of the vagina, and you can see the redness of the vagina due to the inflammation and the swelling. Edema can occur, and this biofilm will be created from these yeast fungal microbes to produce biofilm and not allow to lactobacillus to produce hydrogen peroxide and lactic acid. In this way, the dense biofilms on the vaginal epithelium, and these are associated with increased resistance due to the fungal infection or other bacterial infection. Remember, let's begin to understand the prevention, how to prevent through diet. First, we will understand about diet, but we will not understand about other things. We will understand from the different video, but you can understand the antibiotics can provide to inhibit exogenously or endogenously. This is the prebiotics, the like yogurt, cheese, milk, and supplement. Probiotics contain bacillus, while the prebiotic food also lead to prebiotic can grow more lactobacillus to grow more microbiota. In this way, the prevention of the yeast vaginitis can be decreased or yeast vaginosis. Anyhow, the type of a lactobacillus bacteria can be a lactobacillus iners, crispatus, the gasseri, jansseni, acidophilus fermentum, and plantarum, or brevis, casei, vaginalis, salivarius, and rivaris, rhamnosus. Why the pathogen bacteria is E. coli and the Enterococcus, F. Icalis, and Streptococcus, as well as the Saprophyticus. Anyhow, the basically the important conclusion that the molecular methodology are providing a greater understanding of dynamic microbial presence, both short and long term, in the vagina. The defenses of the host, which include some of these microbes, perform a remarkable function, give the opportunity of pathogen to cause infection, and in this way the pathogenicity will be decreased due to the lactobacillus and other bacteria which that protect as a mutualistic behavior shows. So I hope you make sense about that. This video was about the vaginal microbiota, but this video not only depend the vaginitis, but next video we will understand about the vaginal vaginitis. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for this time.